What's the meaning of bidding? Bidding. Bidding.
Bidding. Bidding. Bidding refers to the process of making an offer or a proposal to acquire something, typically in an auction or competitive setting. The term is most commonly associated with the buying and selling of goods, services, or assets, with the highest bidder being awarded the item at the end of the bidding period. Bidding can take place in person or online and is often used to determine the fair market value of an item or asset. For businesses, bidding can be an important part of procurement and supply chain management, as it allows companies to negotiate prices and select the best suppliers for their needs.